After you start up your TurboTax software, navigate to the personal information section. The software will guide you through a series of questions to determine your filing status. What is your name? Enter your name. What is your birthday? Enter your birthday. Enter your home zip code. Answer this yes or no question. Did you live in another state? Answer this yes or no question. Answer this yes or no question. Do any of these conditions apply to you? Select any that do. So this is the question that directly affects the algorithm on how the software identifies your filing status. Either my spouse or I can claim itemized deductions. No, I'm going to claim the standardized deduction. My spouse did not live with me at any time between mid-year last year and end of last year. Yes, that is true. She did not live with me during that period. I lived apart from my spouse for all of 2023. That is not true. I was there to marry her last year in March. My spouse was a non-resident alien at any time during last year. True. As a matter of fact, she was a non-resident alien during all of 2023. Next question, a continuation of the last question about my spouse. She had no income in 2023. No, not true. She had income, just not in the US. My spouse will not file a tax return for 2023. True, because she didn't have any US income. Can anybody claim my spouse as their dependent? No. Was she legally blind? I do not select this box or check this box because that's not true. Okay, answer these questions that are not related to my marital status. Yes or no question, answer that. Enter your name, enter your spouse's name. Again, these are made up names, arbitrarily made up for this demonstration, not our real names. Enter your US address, enter your social security number. This is important. Leave this field blank. This is for your spouse. You do not need one to continue. The software will not prevent you from moving forward, progressing. Just hit continue. And then look at this. This is based on my input. The software recommends married filing separately. Now, noteworthy, married filing jointly is the only other option. So single, head of household, or any other one, I can't even do it based on the answers I gave the software. Then what you do is you go through federal taxes, state taxes, and input the information like you did before. And then this is the important part. Once you get to the review, this is what you will see. Okay? Let me show you. Go to tax, and here, let me maximize this. So this is for the federal. It's going to flag this as an error because there's nothing in the Social Security field of your spouse. It's important you pay attention and just hit continue. Continue leaving this blank. Same thing for the California one. It's going to flag it as missing. Just leave it blank and hit continue. Okay? And then you're going to get to this stage. Let me show you. Where is tax 3? You will get to this stage of the process. The software will prompt you to answer this question. How do you want to file? E-file or by mail? You cannot e-file because you have missing information. Your spouse's social security number is not there. You can only file by mail. Select file by mail, hit continue. It's going to allow you to download the tax return as a PDF. You take the PDF, and I'll show you. Okay, you hit this button here, you go to Microsoft Edge, and you can enter come on, if I can type, resident alien. And the software will allow you to relocate this anywhere on the page. Alternatively, you could print this out and manually write it in. Okay, a non-resident. I'll show you what this looks like after you complete that. Okay, after you complete that, it should look like this. It's gonna be in my tax 2 folder, and it's gonna look like this. So this field should have had my wife's social security number. I just put non-resident alien. And same thing for the federal, where the spouse's social security should have been. I have non-resident alien. So that's all you do. And then print this out, mail it in, and you should be approved within 4 to 6 weeks. So here's the caveat. I am at that stage where I just mailed it in, and I don't know if there's going to be any complications. But based on the tremendous amount of research that I have done, anecdotal evidence, went through the Facebook group, I read through a ton of Google results. This is the legit and the by the book way of doing this. Now, technically that's the way to do it. I understand that there are individuals who are in my shoes who are petitioning non-resident aliens who have filed or is going to file as single, but yeah, technically that's not the right way to do it. So you do it like this, you should be fine and dandy. Okay, let me end the video because I don't want it to go on for too long.